Okay, last day we discussed problems on BPT
and it's a continuation of your 6.2 exercise 6.2 problem. In figure they are given these two conditions. One is DE is parallel to OQ. This DE is parallel to OQ. I'm disturbing the diagram, sorry. Again I cannot draw. DE is parallel to OQ and this DF is parallel to OR. This is parallel to this and this one is parallel to this side OR. Okay. And now for this triangle, which triangle? P Q O. For this triangle, you apply BPT theorem. Which triangle? For this triangle, you apply BPT. They are given. These two sides are parallel. This one is EDE. This DE is parallel to which one? OQ. This is P. Now you apply BPT. From BPT, what we have? From BPT, by BPT, you have to mention this one. We have PE divided by. Why we are writing this ratio? For similarity, we have if corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, if both are parallel, they are given. They are parallel. If these two are parallel, then we can write the ratio, equal ratio. That is PE divided by EQ equals to what? PD divided by DO. PD divided by DO. Okay. Why this is? For this reason. Okay. We wrote this one. And we come to this side. They are given these two sides are parallel. By BPT. BPT. In this triangle. Don't worry about this one now. You concentrate on this triangle PRO. PF divided by FR. PF divided by FR equals to what? PD divided by DO. PD by DO. Call this as 1 and this as 2. Okay, after getting 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, what cancels in 1 and 2? This PD by DO cancels. What remains? After comparing 1 and 2, after comparing 1 and 2, we left with PE divided by EQ equals to PF divided by FR. Okay, what we have? PE divided by EQ, PF divided by FR. This means we got the ratio like this: PE divided by EQ and PF divided by FR. This means here one more line is there which is parallel to the third side. Then P, according to this ratio, we can write EF divided by EF is parallel to this QR. Both ratios are equal. Then in our triangle, the two sides are parallel. This is again a BPT we got, which we have to prove. EF is parallel to QR. Okay? Hence, prove. Okay. Next problem. We have in this figure, DE is parallel to AC. This DE is parallel to which one? AC. Okay. DE is parallel to this one is parallel to this side. And one more. DF is parallel to AE. Where it is? This one is parallel to this side. Okay. In two triangles, they are given which two sides are parallel. If in one triangle, if two sides are parallel, we can write the ratio BPT ratio easily, right? If two sides are parallel, we can write the ratio according to BPT. What we have for this parallel sides, two parallel sides, if D is parallel to AC, which triangle we have to consider here? You don't worry about this one, this side. I'll remove this one. This DE is parallel to, sorry. DE is parallel to, this side is parallel to this AC. Okay. Now you don't worry about these two middle, two parallel sides. Okay. Apply BPT. D is parallel to AC. How to write BPT? Ratio BD divided by BPT we have. We are writing for, okay. We are applying this, taking the use of this parallel two sides and writing the ratio according to BPT. What we have? BD divided by DA equals to BE. Don't worry about this also. BE divided by EC. Okay. Why? This is because of this reason. You write here. They are given already. This is DE is parallel to AC. This one. Okay. 50% problem solved. And one more they are given. Which one? DF is parallel to AE. What is that? Where it is? D, here only F. This is F. And DF is parallel to DE. Now you don't worry about this and this one. Concentrate only on these two parallel sides. DF is parallel to AE. Okay. Call this as 1. And again by BPT, we have, if these two sides are parallel, we can write the ratio as BD divided by, I'll write here, BD divided by DA equals to what? BF divided by FE. Okay, call this as 2. The reason you have to write. This is the reason you have to write here. Okay, you have to write the reason. Okay, without reason they will not give the marks for in mathematics each and every step. Okay, mark distribution they will allot. You have to write the reason. Then only you will get the marks. Simply by BPT we have this one means they will not give. You have to write certain reason. They are given here. Okay, simple. And from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 or comparing 1 and 2, what we have? We left with this one cancels. BD by DA both the side. We remain BF divided by FE equals to BE divided by EC. We got what we have to prove. Okay, if these two sides, if these two ratios are equal, then what we have to prove? Okay, this one we have to prove and this one we have to prove. This we got because of these two reasons. Just we have to apply BPT theorem and cancellation. This one is the answer. Okay. Okay, next question. A line drawn through the midpoint. Here is the midpoint of the one side of a triangle. Means this D in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint. Okay, this bisect this line segment into two equal parts. 9th standard we discussed midpoint. Okay, this D bisect AB into two equal parts. Is parallel to other side. This D is parallel to this side. Bisect the third side. This D is parallel to this side. and also bisect the third side, means intersect at E. Okay, then this is a question. What is there in the question? Given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. This is BPT theorem. What we need to prove? They are given D is a midpoint. D is midpoint of AB. This is the given. This is the midpoint of AB, and we have to prove. To prove, E is the midpoint of AC. Okay. And in other words, AD equals to, if D is a midpoint, means we can write like this: AD equals to BD. This is given. We need to prove AE equals to EC. This prove madri anta kottar. This kottar. This is there. This bisect and again bisect the third side. ಇಲ್ಲಿ bisect ಆದಾಗ ಇವೆರಡು equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. For this proof, how to write the proof? I'll just erase this one. This is just a BPT theorem. According to BPT, what we have in this diagram, the same diagram. According to BPT, by BPT, we have AD by BD equals to AE divided by EC. This is our BPT theorem. Okay, and what they are given in a question and given this AD equals to BD. Why? D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. How to write this one? I'll write this one as, you take this to the denominator. AD divided by BD equals to 1. This is there in the question. Okay. When it goes to denominator, what remains here? We left with 1. This goes to denominator. Now AD divided by BD, we got equals to 1 according to this reason. Because of this reason. Okay. And go to first one. AD by BD equals to 1. You substitute the value of AD by BD. How much you got here? AD by BD equals to 1. Replace the value of AD by BD. Okay. AD by BD equals to 1. How much here? 1 equals to AE divided by EC. Cross multiply. EC equals to AE. This means E is the midpoint. Hence, proved. Okay, just BPT theorem, and this is because of BPT theorem, and this is there in the question. Why we wrote this one? D is the midpoint of AB. AD equals to BD, and this goes to denominator, and what we left with here? 1 remains, and we got the value of AD by BD. Substitute in equation 1, replacing AD by BD equals to 1. 1 equals to AE by EC. Then cross multiply, we got the result. Okay, this is the answer. What we have to prove. In trapezium ABCD, and the diagonals bisect each other at point O. Okay. In trapezium, diagonals bisect each other at O. Then we have to show AO by BO equals to CO by DO. We have to show this ratio is equals to, both ratios are equal. How to prove this one? Before 6.1, in introduction triangle. Okay, some criteria are there. I think in 9th standard also we discussed some criteria. Okay, now don't worry about this BCD and AD. I'll erase these two. Now you consider two triangles. Which are those? Triangle AOB and triangle DOC or COD. In these two triangles, in introduction we discussed SAS. We can show the similarity by SAS, triple S, AA criteria or AAA criteria. Okay, take the use of any criteria. I'll consider these two triangles to prove this one. Okay, in triangle AOD and COD criteria, you have to show right statement and reason. Okay, angle O equals to angle O in both the triangles. Angle O equals to angle O. Reason, vertically opposite angles. And one more, angle A equals to angle C. Reason, angle A equals to angle C. Reason, interior alternative angles. Again, angle D equals to angle B. Angle B equals to angle D. Same reason. By the above three reasons and statements, we can say, therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by criteria A. Now, both triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then only we can write the ratio. Otherwise, we cannot write the ratio. Okay, I have to show this one, right? Now, what we discussed, we came to a conclusion that this triangle and this triangle are both similar. Now, we can write the ratio as, if they are similar, we can write the ratio according to BPT. AO divided by OC or CO equals to BO divided by OD or DO. Okay, here we have to show OA by BO equals to CO by DO. Just you cross multiply, this goes to numerator and this comes to denominator. AO divided by BO equals to CO divided by DO. This will I have to show this one and we got this one. Same answer. Hence, proved. Okay, this is by the criteria. We can. Okay, this is what we need to prove. We got the ratio. If in a trapezium diagonals bisect each other, then okay. Okay, 6.3. In 6.3, there are given some pair of triangles in which we need to state which pairs of triangles are similar. Okay, you take the use of criterias. Here they are given in triangle ABC and PQR, in which angle A equals to 60, angle B equals to 60. Okay, and angle B equals to 80, angle Q equals to 80. Now, you have to show these two are similar or not. Okay, I'll say these two triangles are similar. Why? Because of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, similarity conditions are there. Two similarity conditions. If corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then two triangles are similar. Here, angle A in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q. This is 60 and this is 80. 140. This is they are not given, and this is also not given. This is 60, this is 80 means this is 40 obviously, okay? To make 180, and this is also 40. Then angle C equals to angle R. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal in triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because of reason AAA criteria. Both the triangles are okay. In 6.3, we discussed one problem. Total 6 problems are there of the same type. You will try to state whether following triangles are pairs of triangles are similar or not. Remaining you check. Okay. Take use of some criteria. Check whether similar or not. In next class, we will continue with 6.3 second main. Thank you. Have a nice day.